Hello everyone, it's me Chubby from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you Microsoft PC Manager, which is Windows on PC Manager, and here we're gonna find out if it is really good and useful or not. So without more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open any web browser and in the Google search just search for one application named as Microsoft PC Manager. And on the first list you will see its official website. Just click on it. So now you can see our official website, and below you can see your download option, and just below to it here it's mentioned fully compatible with Windows 10 version 1809 and above operating system. So if you have a older version, that is an older Windows version, then this software may not be compatible, but still you can try. So as I have already downloaded and installed it, so I'm not going to do it again. So you firstly download and install this software on your respective Windows computer, and after that just open or run the software. On opening the software for the first time, you will see this kind of user interface, right? So you can see here boost your PC performance, and you can just click on boost to free up some memory uses and free up some temporary files. So let us click on it. So you can see temporary files is being cleaned and memory uses has also been reduced. And below you can see like health check. So let us check. So it will suggest you some options like potential issues, startup apps to disable. You can manually set it if you wish. So I'll just keep it as it is right now. So there are some temporary files. You can just untick or select depending upon your needs, whichever you like. So let us select this temporary files and let us proceed. Click on done, and just below to it is a storage management. You can get some more options here under it, like deep cleanup, manage large files, manage apps, storage sense. So let us check one by one. So you can see here system cleanup. You can just do some system cleanup like CSS and this and that. So let us do. Click on done. Let us check the second option, manage large files. So you can just check about different large files, anything whichever you like. So I'm not gonna click on this view in File Explorer. So you can click on it and you can just manage your large size files by depending upon what type of files you want to manage. And next to it is a manage apps. You can just manage or remove the install apps. You can check the storage sense, and let us move back, and just below it you can see your process management. So right now one application is running in the background, and you can check about the startup apps also, which applications are being turned on to run when you turn on your computer. So you can see I have allowed 2 applications to run whenever I turn on my computer. So you can just disable it if you wish to disable it, or you can just turn it on back here. And below it you can see here there is one more options at the bottom, security. So here you can directly scan from here if you want to scan. So let us do a scan. So finally the scanning has been completed. You can just click on done. So below you can see there are some more options like Windows Update. You can just check for Windows Update also just by clicking on here, and you can check for browser protection also, and even the pop-up management also you can check here by clicking on it here. So these are the options that you will be getting inside our PC Manager. So in my opinion it provides almost every necessity options that our PC Manager application should have. And this PC Manager is developed by the Microsoft itself, so I'm hoping they might include this PC Manager as a inbuilt applications in the upcoming Windows 11 newer versions. So if they implement it, I'll be really happy, because it's a all-in-one package inside a simple applications, and it almost provide every necessary features like the health check, like you can boost your memory uses or directly clean your temporary or junk files, and even it includes a antivirus also inside it, which is using our Windows Defender antivirus itself. So it's almost a complete package that our PC manager should be having. So if this PC manager is implemented in the future update of the newer Windows versions, then we don't need to rely on the third-party applications for boosting our memory uses or cleaning temporary files or checking for a health check or any other antiviruses. So in my opinion, you can definitely try this Microsoft's PC Manager, which is Windows on PC Manager on your respective Windows computer. So if you never known about this new applications that Microsoft has developed, which is called a Microsoft PC Manager, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.